So let's talk about some frameworks that I think are very helpful as you are starting your journey, or maybe you've kind of ad hoc'd a couple of initiatives together and you really want to start to organize your journey a little bit more. These are some really good ones that I want to highlight. So the Hotel Sustainability Basics, created by the World Travel and Tourism Council. This is a great framework for you to follow and start, wherever you can start today and then gradually build on top of it. The pathway to net positive hospitality. Again, you want to start sustainable, but the goal is eventually to get to that regenerative place and that net positive hospitality place. And this is again, step laddered way to implement sustainability at your pace, but to know that the targets you have in place are headed the right way. Now, let's say you're starting your strategy and you just aren't even sure where to begin, I always recommend using the UN Sustainable Development Goals. These are 17 goals that the UN put in place after they identified what they thought were the biggest issues on our globe. So it's a great way for you to align your current culture, your values in your hotel, your organization, gathering feedback from your guests and your employees on what's important to them. And maybe pick out 2, 3, 4 of those UN Sustainable Development Goals and let those drive your initiatives and your partnerships. And then science-based targets. This is really a way to know where you are now, set a baseline, know where you need to go, create targets, know how fast or how long you need to get to those targets, and then how to count towards your goal. What are those metrics that you are using? So this is really based off of science and greenhouse gas emissions. So to give you an example, Marriott is using science-based targets and have a goal of decarbonizing and being net zero by 2050, not only in just their hotels and their operations, but also in their supply chain. So if you see the SBTI, you'll know exactly what that stands for.